Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install and configure GitLab and Fedora 34. Small introduction of GitLab. GitLab is the complete DevOps platform for managing Git repository. GitLab offers free public and private repository. The GitLab repository manager providing wiki, issue tracking and continuous integration and deployment pipeline features using an open source license. Developed by GitLab, integration CI system for managing the project and provides user interface along with other features of GitLab. Now I'm going to check OS version. Use this command git/cdc/os-release. Press enter. This is my OS version, Fedora 34. Now I'm going to install polycoroutils OpenSSH-server. Use this command dnf install -y curl space polycoroutils OpenSSH -server. Perl installation is started. After installation, I'm going to enable SSH. Use this command systemctl enable SSH. It's enabled now. And then I'm going to start SSH. Systemctl start SSH. Started. And then going to check SSH. Systemctl status SSH. Press enter. SSH is active now. And then I'm going to start firewall service for HTTP. Use this command firewall -cmd -permanent -add -service equal to httpd. Press enter. Firewall successfully started, and then I'm going to start HTTPS with this command firewall -cmd -permanent -add -service equal to HTTPS. Press enter. And then I'm going to restart firewall. Use this command systemctl reload firewall D. Press enter. Firewall reloaded, and I'm going to check firewall status. Systemctl status firewall D. Firewall is active now. Now I'm going to install Postfix. Use this command dnf install Postfix. Press enter. Installation is started. Press Y to continue. After installation, we need to enable Postfix. Use this command systemctl enable Postfix. Press enter. It's enabled now. And then I'm going to start Postfix. Systemctl start Postfix. Press enter. Started. I'm going to use this command to download GitLab CE latest version. I'm taking this link from the GitLab CE official website. Press enter to continue installation. See here, GitLab CE 14.4 RPM package is available now. I'm going to install this package. Using dnf command, install and copy the GitLab package. Copy the GitLab RPM package and paste here. Press enter. GitLab CE installation is started. Press Y to continue. After installing GitLab CE, we need to reconfigure GitLab. Use this command GitLab. Use this command GitLab -ctl space reconfigure. Press enter. GitLab reconfiguration is started. After completing reconfiguration, I'm going to check my IP address. IP space A space S. This is my IP address 125. This is my IP address. Now I'm going to open browser. Use my IP address here 192.168.6.125. Press enter. See here, GitLab is opened on browser. It will ask for credential to login, username and password. We need username and password. Use this command to take a temporary password. vim/adc/gitlab/initial root password. See here, this is temporary password. I'm going to copy this password and come to the browser. Enter username root and put here your temporary password. Now log in. See here, our GitLab is opened. This is main page for GitLab. Menu section, our project here. Groups, admin section, your projects. This is your profile, root administrator, editing profiles tools. Everything is here. Our GitLab is successfully installed and configured with working condition. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.